Hello guys, you're watching the Payment Guide YouTube channel. In today's video, you're going to learn how to activate your East West Bank debit card. The whole process I'm going to explain step by step in this video. So, stick to the video till the end, do not skip any part of it. Before I proceed to the process of activating the East West debit card, if you're new to this channel, subscribe the channel. Click the bell icon to be notified for the latest updates of the latest videos. There is a link in the description box. By clicking the link, you'll come to this page, or you can simply search in the Google eastwestbank.com. So this is the interface. To activate the card, click on these three lines on the left upper corner. Then click personal. This login page is appear in front of you, but we do not have to log in. Here you can see sign me up. Click this sign me up. Another page is open. Here this is the agreement. Scroll it up and then click I have read. Then click continue button. As you click continue button, the question is asked, do you have a debit or prepaid card? So click yes. And here the card number is asked. So provide your card number. This is the 16-digit card number which is printed of your card. Then give your PIN. After providing your card number and the PIN, click the confirm button. As you click the confirm button, your card will be immediately activated and then you will be able to use it. So this was the whole method of activating the debit card of East West Bank. See you in another informative video. Subscribe the channel, click the bell icon for the latest update, and don't forget to like, share the video.